What's going on, guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Christine. I am the owner of Tiny House of Vintage, and today I wanted to go over this Gleaner sweater shaver. It's a manual sweater shaver, and I just wanted to see how it'd work. I've been using one of these electric ones and I don't really like it, so I've been on the market looking for a new one, and I came across this one. Just got in the mail and I wanted to just check it out with you guys to see if it's something that anybody else would be interested in for their business or even for their personal use in their personal closet at home. So let's go give it a try and check it out. So when you get in the mail, this is what it comes with. It comes with a bag to hold it in. It comes with 3 different attachments, the directions, and it comes with the shaver, and on the side it has like a lint brush, and then it has the place where you put the attachments on. So since I'm using a thick sweater, it's like a sweater jacket, I'll be using attachment number 1. It does say on the inside the number. This one is number 1. See it down there, and then it's really easy. You just snap it on. You just snap it on here. And also to change the sizes, there's this little lever here, and you just push that and it pops off so you can change the size. So I have this North Face jacket, and it has a lot of pilling on it. As you can see on the arms, under the arms. This is like a brand new jacket, and it's pilling and it pains me, so I thought I would try this pillar because I had the electric ones that everyone recommends and it doesn't really work that well, especially on this. So I thought I would give this a try, so let's see how it works. So you're supposed to hold it taut and then act like you're shaving your legs. So I'm going to spend a few minutes and see how this works. So I just, as you can see, and then you just take this off. And I would say it's working pretty well. A lot faster and a lot easier than the electric one. So I would definitely give this a try. I'll link everything down below. Just want to show you an up-close shot of the sweater after I've pilled it. Looks pretty good. I didn't spend a lot of time on it, and I think that it did a really good job. So here is just like, I think I spent like 3 minutes doing that, and I think it did an amazing job for the amount of effort I put into it, which wasn't a lot. After all that, I would highly recommend this as something to invest in for your business or even for your personal closet. I will be using this and getting rid of my manual one for right now. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. And if you're not already subscribed, please subscribe. It would really help me out. And if you have any questions, please leave your comments below and I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. I hope you have a wonderful day, guys. Thank you. Bye.